essentially spend an entire day in here. Now, we're not. We're just going to see a brief little view of one of the floors. But we have an open policy here in our props department. Stage where she films and stage the backstage area. And she films like a normal talk show in that she's filming on Monday, the episode airs on Tuesday, and she filmed on Tuesday, that episode is airing on Wednesday. Now, this first area is called the Riff Raff Room. So this is where Ellen's shop is located. And there was one time I was working the show, and Ellen spontaneously gave away tickets for 12 days. Now, if you don't know what 12 days is, that's like essentially winning the lottery. During the month of December, she has 12 straight days of giveaways where she gives away. So this is her stage where she actually films the episodes. And again, tickets for Ellen, go to ellentv.com. Now this room over here, this is the VIP lounge. Now if you come to the doors back there, Sean will pass where you
Chegando no Friends, vamos tirar fotinho? Pode.
A Dani também está trabalhando. Agora eu faço parte do Michael Jackson.
Kathy, he's trying to get her attention, and he ends up getting mustard all over his shirt. Happens right on over here. Now all of these trees are real. They were brought for a production called Don't Mess with the Zohan, starring Adam Sandler. And speaking of that film, this corner building is his salon from that movie. It was also used in Pee-wee's Big Adventure. This is the pet store that catches on fire, and Pee-wee has to save all of the animals. Visits just the city, and it's used as downtown Philadelphia and Pretty Little Liars. Now, as we move on forward, the alleyway right on over here on our left-hand side, this was featured in Friends. Rachel and Monica are hiding out here while they are filming Outbreak 2 right down the street right over there with Jean-Claude Van Damme and Marcel the Monkey. Her Oscar promo video here, she comes out of this corner store with the green doors, and she walks all the way back down towards Tennessee Street, and then she does a choreographed dance number, and that was for her Oscar promo. Now, some of the titles I may be mentioning are not necessarily Warner Brothers productions. That is because we have an open lot policy. sets to make them look like something else. So to fully turn it into a motel, put some numbers on the doors and a maid's cart outside, and voila, you have an instant motel. That was used as a motel in Petty Little on 1136. Both of these are left over from Columbia Pictures. There was about a 20-year time period Warner Brothers and Columbia teamed up together. During this time period, we were called the Burbank Studios. So if you've seen Argo with Ben Affleck, they are at the Burbank Studios. That was this lot right here. We were just called the Burbank Studios, so we were one big happy family under one united name. Now, Chuck Lorre has 2 new shows coming out this fall. One is called Disjointed, starring the one and only Kathy Bates, all about her running a dispensary. It comes out this August on Netflix. The other is called Young Sheldon, all about the childhood of Sheldon Cooper from The Big Bang Theory. Comes out this fall on Secret House that's looming over us. This is called Mount Green. On the opposite side of that mountain is the Hollywood sign, which you can see from any angle once you're on the other side of the mountain. On your right-hand side, these cubes with the green awnings were created for a show called Friends. Friends had such a big audience, we needed to find a way to accommodate for everyone, so this was our solution. Today, these cubes are used for shows like Conan and The Real. If you want tickets for Conan, go to teamcoco.com or oneiota.com. For The Real, go to thereal.com. Now, if you want tickets for Ellen, she loads in from a completely different gate that's much closer to her soundstage. Go to ellentv.com. In this parking lot, we have production trucks and trailers. These are all here for a show called Lethal Weapon, starring Dave Blaze and Clayne Crawford. They film right inside soundstage 28 and 29. So we're going to make our way on over, slow things down. We're going to check out a small town called Midwest. Some of you might know this as Stars Hollow, Connecticut, Gilmore Girls, Rosewood, Pennsylvania, Pretty Little Liars, Salinas, California, East of Eden, River City, Iowa, and the original music band with Robert Preston. The list just goes on and on. We're gonna find a nice place to park and then we'll wonderful. Alright, so folks, watch your head.
Oh my god. If anybody needs me to take a photo for them, very late, so Ross is about to step in at the last moment, but then Chip shows up and Rachel goes to prom with him instead. Also, Emily's house on Pretty Little Liars and Miss Kim's Antiques on Gilmore Girls. Everyone done this with? Yeah. Now, this house next door has 2 completely different sides. We usually like to have more than one side to every house, so more than one character can live there. So for the price of one, get 2 houses. Suki's house on Gilmore Girls. Gilmore Girls also use this for somebody else's house.
Action. Aqui é o outro lado da casa. De um lado é uma casa, do outro é outra casa.
John, we have 24 hours to take everything down and put everything back to its state it looked like before. However, if we like additions that productions have added to our lot, we will tell them to keep it up, to leave it. Normally, production shows
back where this tram is, Batman and Robin would run up the steps to meet with Commissioner Gordon. Now, it was not Adam West and Burt Ward running up those steps, it was their stunt doubles, because running up steps was considered a stunt. The courthouse was also featured in Argo, with Ben Affleck and Alan Arkin have a conversation about fatherhood on the steps of this courthouse. On your right-hand side, this patch of grass is Central Park from Friends. Look at that. This is it, folks. That's all it is. So this is where Phoebe does her crazy jogger, convinces Rachel we're Pretty Little Liars. By the way, the courthouse was an art gala that Ari and Mr. Fitz go to. This patch of grass was used in Gilmore Girls. This is part of the Yale campus. This is where Rory's study tree is located, and was used in an episode of Big Bang Theory. Let's move on forward. This building over here on your left-hand side, this was the Radley Sanitarium on Pretty Little Liars, eventually turned into a hotel. Philadelphia for Pretty Little Liars. Now, the L track was built for ER. Now, after season 1, they knew they needed the L track because this is the staple of Chicago. Currently used on Shameless. Now, that track may look sturdy enough to put a train up there, but looks can be deceiving because the base of this is made of styrofoam wrapped with chicken wire and cement plasters on top. So a series on the lot. And stage 26, home to 2.5 Men. Now, 2.5 Men was our longest running sitcom here on the lot. They had 12 seasons. However, Big Bang Theory is going to tie 2.5 Men for longest running sitcom. If Big Bang Theory gets extended for one more season past their next 2, they will become the longest running sitcom in Warner Brothers history. So, the 2.5 Men stage, both of them happen to be Chuck Lorre production. Stage 26 is currently home to a show called This Georgia Cat Show. I'm the first thing we're going to see as you enter in here. On your right-hand side, this is Conoco Productions. This is Conan O'Brien's production company. Now, you're going to see a lot of golf carts. This lot is 110 acres, so it makes your life a little easier driving around rather than walking. Here on our left-hand side, down those steps is the design studio. We can print out backdrops as well as window decals that we've seen around the lot. Up here on our left, this is our staffing shop. So any fake brick or tile you've seen around this lot is made right in here. From again, I understand fiberglass or styrene, recycled plastic. On our right-hand side, this is our metal shop. That's why the gates are up here. That giant lantern hanging off that wall, that is from the Black Pearl from Pirates of the Caribbean. So we're not only working on Warner Brothers projects here,